We all want to be an effective communicator. We all want to speak in such a way so that our words can touch the heart of people. We want to connect with people. In fact, we are learning spoken English in order to be an effective communicator. Now the question is, how to become an effective communicator? The answer is quite simple. You can become an effective communicator by becoming an effective listener, active listener. Yes, active listening is absolutely necessary, but often we avoid it. We take listening for granted. Once we listen actively, then only we will be able to understand the situation and the people. After all, we have been given 2 ears and 1 mouth for a reason, to listen twice as much as we speak. So there are at least 3 important reasons for why listening is important in any negotiation or conflict. First, it helps us understand the other side, what is going on in their mind. Second, it helps us connect with other people. We understand them. It builds trust. It shows that we are for them. After all, everybody wants to be heard. Third, listening can be the golden key that opens the door to the human relationship. There are 2 types of listening. First, ordinary listening, and second, genuine listening, active listening. First, in ordinary listening, we generally listen and often thinking, where do I agree? Where do I disagree? What am I going to say in response? In other words, focus is on us. But in genuine listening, however, the focus is on the other person. We try to understand their perspective and their thoughts. We empathize them. We try to understand. Our full attention is to listen to the human being behind the words. Now let's talk about the barriers in listening. There are many things get in the way of our listening. We must be aware of barriers and bad habits if we are to become more effective listener. First, listening to more than one voice. It means someone is talking to you and at the same time something else is going on in your mind and you are listening to that as well. So sometime in this process message is missing. आपसे कोई बात कर रहा है और आप उसकी बात तो सुन ही रहे हो, साथ में उसी समय आपके दिमाग में भी कुछ चल रहा है, आप वो भी सुन रहे हो, तो इसमें क्या होता है, मैसेज मिस हो जाता है. Second, finding the communicator more attractive and over connecting with him or her. It means someone is talking to you and someone is looking more attractive, charismatic, and you are getting over connected with him or her. इसमें क्या होता है, आप देखते रह जाते हो उसी को और मैसेज मिस कर देते हो. Third, finding the communicator unattractive and disconnecting with him or her. If someone is looking ugly with poor body language, you don't want to listen to them. चाहे वो कितना भी important message क्यों ना देना चाह रहा हो, आपको doubt होने लगता है. That's all I wanted to say you. I hope you got my point. Thank you for listening. Stay happy, healthy and safe. Take care of yourself. You can follow me on Instagram by clicking the link which is given in description box. Bye bye.